We bought this for $25, it goes for $7.50. Alright, so we just pulled this out. So right there, as you can see, we have Kincaid solid wood furniture. If we look it up on the phone, same exact dresser going for $7.20. So we paid $25, it goes for $7.50. Alright, so here's the walk around here. Here she is. This is a Kincaid solid wood. I think it's oak of some sort, but we paid $25 for it. And as you can see, it is very beautiful. The legs, the feet on it, you can see that little knot right there. I don't know exactly what that's called, but it's very nice joinery as far as the woodworking goes. This one's kind of, let's focus. This one's kind of messed up, but overall, we're just going to vacuum it out real quick and then post it. These are going right now for about $700. We're going to try to post it for $300. And yeah, right here, try to work this out. It's a nice little scratch she got, but overall, very nice. For our second piece, we got this nightstand right here, along with this dresser. And then what also goes on the dresser, we got a nice little mirror that goes up. So this is a three-piece set. Here's what's on the back of it. We got Florida Industries. Just looked it up. We're gonna throw a nice little white coat of paint on it and brighten it up. As you can see, this little dot here, hold it up. Yeah, that little dot right there. All I should do is she's gone. Okay, so here we go. Got us a nice little $3 brush, and just dip it like that. Make sure to get it everywhere. And then first streak. Whoa! Alrighty, probably doing this wrong, but we'll figure it out.